go to my first, actually it's not my first time seeing Shenseea live. I saw her at like a concert, well, not a concert. I saw her live at like a club a long time ago in Miami. So tonight is her concert at the Fillmore. I'm going with my girl Tanisha, T Cooks with Flav. So we are going to have a time because we are real Shenyangs. We are part of the Shenyang. We love Shenseea, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Vlog a little bit. I don't really do this often, so I'm trying to get back on YouTube and trying to give different content. So some might be voiceovers because I doubt I'll be talking like that. I'm more so going to be showing you the concert and, you know, the night, the vibes. I'm about to do her makeup soon, so stay tuned. And you know, I gotta have a little drinky drink. So the drink of right now is Casamigos and coconut water. Who would have thought that was such a good mix? It actually doesn't taste too strong. I'm probably about to put an extra shot and we're gonna get lit. Today is August 28th. I have officially started the process of the purchasing of my townhouse. I just submitted my application to the HOA, paid the fees for that. It's a lot that goes into the process of purchasing a home. You know, it's been a minute for me. I've been waiting actually for this moment. I've been waiting actually for this moment where, you know, I had to save, I had to get the funds. I really locked in during COVID where, you know, all the stimulus payments, any extra money that I got, I just put it into savings, and it's finally time where I just feel stressed out because it's one of those, even with me renting, I've been at this apartment right now, as you can see, my little setup. I've been here for 10 years, a whole decade at an apartment. So it's definitely time for a change. And for me, I've just kind of been winging it. Like I always think and I try to strategize, like, how am I going to survive? Like by myself, like I'm doing it all by myself. And honestly, I've just left it up to in God's hands because he makes the way for me to actually make these bills and have the income to do whatever. So I'm trusting the process. I'm trusting that, you know, things will pick up, makeup wise, business wise, me coming up with other ways of getting money to sustain really. But this process, you know, I'm trying to enjoy the process of it, because there's going to be some work that has to go into this home. It's not, you know, ready, move-in ready. There's some, you know, work that we got to do to my likings. So yeah, I'm excited, but I'm also stressed out. I'm supposed to be closing in a month from now, so September 27th. I am going to be taking you guys along that journey. So stay tuned. This is the first part. Stay tuned for the rest. Today is September 17th. Today was supposed to be my closing date. Unfortunately, it got pushed back until, I'm hoping, Friday. I really didn't want it for Friday. I just wanted to get it out the way between today or tomorrow, Wednesday. And it got pushed back because of the stupid seller. You had work plus me not closing today really made it kind of like a whatever day. It didn't work out. It's just been one of those funky days. So I'm hoping that I'll have good news on tomorrow, where hopefully we'll be cleared, and I could get preparation or prepared for Friday, and we could finally close on the property. Anything else? There is renovations, as I stated, I think before. There's renovations that will need to be done. But yeah, my move out date for my apartment is November. Trying to leave because the neighbors that I have are super annoying and loud. The walls are thin, so I'm like losing sleep and completely over it. So I'm ready to be in my own property where I don't have to hear anybody else against the walls. So that's a little bit of the update of what's going on. So you guys, today is finally closing day. We are here after a rough week. Today is September 21st or 20th. It's Friday and we are about to be at closing. It has been a long, stressful week. I was supposed to close on Tuesday, which was, I believe, the 17th, and things weren't submitted on the seller side. So yeah, I'm nervous, I'm excited, and I'm ready to get it over with because that's one less thing that I have to worry about. After that, it's into the renovation stage, so we'll be bringing you guys along on that journey. I need to go ahead and do a before video of the property. I meant to do that yesterday and I didn't. So yeah, I'll check back in later. Two of my friends are coming. Tanisha T Cooks with Flav, my girl, and my friend Astrid. They have been, well, Tanisha just went through this journey not too long ago, and Astrid actually referred me to my realtor, which in fact I already knew through a friend and didn't really think about it. You know when you know that somebody does something like real estate or whatever, it's like you know years ago, but you don't really think about them in that moment until somebody brings them up. So when she did and I actually saw him, I was like, oh, I know you. So things have been, you know, good. It's always good when you know somebody to help you along the process. And yeah, regular so that I could do it.
Look at her bossing me around.
And then landscape.
Okay, girl.
But you know, you got that.
Somebody's closing on their property, guys. Hey, Astrid.
Hey.
It's a big deal. Congrats, girl. You are a homeowner. I'm so proud of you. And of course, you guys know a Breeze Bakery came through.
This is what the inside looks like. This is the kind of floor. Are you listening? This is like the first floor. Damn. This is here. This right here. Dining area thing. But yeah. Here. We have another little area. We have the bathroom. Yeah. This is the upstairs bathroom. Sink. Yeah. Over here we have basically another sitting area. I might make this like a lamp section for clients to make a. So right horrible as far as the kitchen. I do want an all white type of feel because I will be putting down gray vinyl to make it look more modern and classic. As you can see, I have no stove, no appliance. Over here is the dryer. Now this is the staircase. We're ripping out all of this carpet here. And so this is one room here. I'm still trying to decide which one I'm going to make my glam room, but then I also have the closet space. I have a living closet here. This is the hallway. This is the second room. And I have a smaller closet in this one. And then I have the bathroom. This is the second bathroom. This is the flooring. And then in here, I'll probably just paint this over. Same with that. And now we're in the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, which, I mean, it's a little bit bigger than the other two. Can't really have as much junk as I used to have. And I have a balcony view outside. I see a dead bird out there, so we definitely got some cleaning to do. And then my bathroom and closets are here. So we're gonna switch for this. So this is what the current state of this place is looking like right now. There's work to be done. You know, I'm not used to the spacing, so as far as getting my stuff to fit, you know, I'll probably mount my TV and stuff so that I don't really have too much clutter in my room now that I have 2 extra rooms. But yeah, this is my first property. I'm excited and nervous about this project because it's expensive, but we're gonna do it in stages because yes, queen, I didn't even read the thing. You guys are all on video. Look at Jason. He's hiding.
Are you listening?
Alright guys, I am on my way to a Urban Decay event down in Miami, of course. Today is September 25th. There is a tropical storm watch for Miami, but the storm is really going to North Florida. So yeah, they got me out on these streets, you know. Hopefully it doesn't rain while I'm out here. The goal is to go for like 2 hours or so and leave. It's from 7 to 10. I'm super excited because last year I was so upset because I wasn't invited, and I did everything in my might to find out whose list I could get on or who does, like, you know, the outreach for these events. And I did. I found a group and I was invited this year, so I'm super excited. Of course, I was not going to miss this opportunity like I did last year for some rain. So hopefully I have a good time and I see some familiar faces. You know, kind of when you're in the influencer world, you see the same type of influencers, but you'll see them out. You don't really know them like that. I'm the type of person that I don't really approach people like that. Like, I'll say hi, but I don't really know what to really say to you because I don't know you like that and I don't want to come off weird. So yeah, I will see if I could get some footage there. Hopefully I don't forget, because of course I always film stuff for Instagram. So yeah, bye.